Hi everyone. I don't know, somehow last night I was dreaming about having a big sunroof in this car. Actually, I was thinking not a sunroof, but rather just cut the roof and make it as a single piece attachable, like how to say, roof lid. So you can cut it. You can remove it, put it in the trunk, in the boot, or if you like you can put it back on the roof. So what I'm thinking, we cut from here all the way to here, likewise from this side to the other side. It will be 90 centimeter by 90 centimeter, which is exact size, not exact size, but good enough to be fitted in the trunk. I measured it here, so it's gonna be almost perfect to sit in the trunk. So 90 by 90 centimeter. Though the car been painted nicely, but I'm afraid I'm gonna do some cut and weld, so I'm gonna repaint the whole roof again. That's my crazy idea for today. Let's see how it will go.